I was recently looking at a lot of architectural job postings and I noticed something. A lot of them were looking for architects who had experience with BIM, and that actually got me thinking, why is BIM such a craze? My research actually opened my perspective to what BIM can actually do. I thought it was just modeling in Revit that you can easily cut sections and details from to create on site. But BIM, as it turns out, is so much more than that. My research actually led me to something very interesting. I found out some amazing structures around the world that relied very heavily on BIM for their design and construction. And I think it's safe to say that these projects would not have been possible without BIM, at least not in the way they were made. So welcome to BlessedArch, and today on this channel we are looking at 3 projects that would not have been possible without BIM. Number 1 on our list is the Shanghai Tower in China. Built in 2015 by Gensler, it is a mega tall skyscraper with more than 600-meter height. It is the world's 3rd tallest building by height. Now, this ambitious skyscraper was a mammoth task both during design and construction. And as it turns out, BIM was an essential part in creating it. From the initial design to structure and environment analysis to even coordination with people who executed the project, BIM enabled seamless cloud collaboration amongst all the people involved. Number 2 on our list is the Nanjing International Youth Cultural Center by Zaha Hadid Architects. Built in 2018, the project includes a conference center, 2 towers and the plaza that terminates the CBD's main axis on the riverfront. As with all ZHA designs, this structure is filled with flowing curves and beautiful patterns. This impressive structure was completed from design to construction in just 34 months, and the on-site work only lasted 18 months. And that was possible because BIM was used while designing the structure. Each of these elements were easily extracted with their details visible so that they could be easily constructed on site. Number 3 on our list is the Higher Global Research Center by DC Alliance and Snøhetta. Built in 2016 in Qingdao, this building houses a co-working center, a library, a business institute, an auditorium, exhibition area, an art gallery, and an IMAX theatre. The concept of this building was hilltop and it was inspired by the natural landscape of Qingdao. Now, one of the most innovative things about this structure is that in order to integrate equipment, drainage and landscape, a double-layer roof system is adopted to create the 5th elevation of the building. This building won a LEED NC Gold certification, and this was possible because BIM was integrated in the design and construction of this building. It helped by optimizing the whole structure and making the whole design and construction process seamless. And there you have it, guys, 3 structures that relied heavily on BIM for their design and construction. From better collaboration to faster construction to even optimization for sustainability, BIM truly is a multifaceted tool for the AEC industry. And this means that people in the industry are actively looking to hire people who have specialized in BIM, which subsequently also means that people proficient in BIM are paid higher salaries than their colleagues. According to a recent estimate, this salary was typically 40% more. But even though there's a higher demand for the BIM professionals in the industry, there are just very few opportunities to learn. Now, if you go for masters, those courses are really expensive, and open source platforms like YouTube teach you the software but not the underlying methodology. Well, one of the ways you can start learning BIM and taking your career to the next level is with Oneistox's BIM course. Oneistox help you become a BIM expert in just 6 months with their online course. You will learn from AEC professionals leading BIM at top tier firms worldwide. And the education won't just be theoretical. You can also work on a live, REBA-structured capstone project to practice your skills. And once you complete the course, you will get placement assistance to land jobs in globally operating firms. So if you're somebody looking to take your skills to the next level and really learn BIM, do check out Oneistox. You can find their link in the description below. And that was it, you guys. That was the video. If you know of any more structures that heavily relied on BIM for the design or construction process, let me know in the comments below. And that was it. I will see you guys soon for more of our regular content. Until then, bye bye.